y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing a makeup tutorial, as you can tell by the title. So we are doing a pumpkin cold brew makeup inspired look. So I was like on Starbucks website and I was like, wait a minute, you know, like instant inspiration. Yeah, so the colors, I'm gonna put the picture on the screen. The colors seem to be very neutral. I see about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. Y'all may not see it, but I definitely see it. I want nude on the lid, that's for sure. I want nude on the lid, and I think I want to do a brown lip. And it's come to my attention that with everyone wearing a mask, like no one's really gonna be able to see your lips, but it's okay, because it's okay. I've never done a food inspired look, so this will definitely be different for me. And for this look, I don't have any new palettes, you guys, honestly, so I'm gonna be using my James Charles palette and one of my Jaclyn Hill palettes. This is Jaclyn Hill palettes. What palette is this one? Ring the Alarm. To set my lid, I'm just gonna be taking this color right here. Going back to the picture, let's see. I want it to be fall, but I want it to be very simple for you guys as well. What I'm thinking is I want to do a lot of like the warm orangey colors, and then I'm just going to darken it up a little bit. Then I'm going to do a matte color on the lid, but it's going to be more of a cut crease because me and my hooded eyes can't seem to get it together. I'm going in to the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to use the color Rush and Mugshot. I'm going to mix those two together. So I kind of went all over the lid with that one. Like I brought it in the crease and kind of just, you know, did what I do. Okay, so now I'm just going to be taking the color Mugshot itself and going in the crease back and forth. I have my MAC 211 brush, and I'm going to be taking this color right here from the James Charles palette, like this brown one. I just want to do like a nude color, honestly, on the lid. That same color from the James Charles palette that we use on the outer corner, I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. There we go. Just gently. As far as liner goes, I have this really cute gel liner from Inglot. Hopefully it's not dried out. No, it's not, because I have not opened it. And as you guys can see, I didn't do a wing or anything, because I just feel like I'm not doing none of that no more, okay? Like, wings are cool sometimes, but I feel like you don't have to do it for everything. So I feel like just putting that pop of color right there was good enough. Oh my gosh, having fake lashes in for so long, my real lashes are like, they're screaming. But I can already tell once I put these lashes on, girl, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm happy I didn't do anything else, honestly, because I feel like it would have been too much. Yeah, I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but in person, bitch. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to that face. So I do the same thing for my face all the time. I don't even know if I'm gonna put foundation on because it is so hot, but I feel like for the sake of the video and it being a full face fall makeup look, let's just get into it. What do you guys gonna be for Halloween? Like, is that a weird question asked so soon? I really want to be one of the cheerleaders from Bring It On. Like, I want to be an East Compton Clover. And don't steal my idea. Like, I know it's like kind of basic, but I've wanted to be that for a while, honestly. All right, y'all, so my camera stopped. I don't know when it stopped. Ooh, I feel like this is so like pumpkin cream. Like, oh my goodness, you guys. And then for blush, like, oh my gosh, wait. I feel like it's coming together. Like the eyes, I never really do like a nude like this on my eyes, but y'all, I'm gonna have to like, I'm taking pictures. I'm about to put a cute little shirt on and take some pictures from the waist up. You know how that goes. I actually really like the orange on the lid because I feel like it really just, it brings out like a pop. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it or if y'all feel the same way, but I feel like it brings out like a pop of color. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Morphe 2 just because if y'all live in a hot climate, y'all, it's still hot. So I'm personally not wearing anything that's like heavy. I cannot. Plus, this one is definitely affordable. I feel like a lot of the products I use are Morphe. I'm not an affiliate. I don't have any codes. I don't promote any codes. I don't even use a code myself, okay? But the thing is, y'all, Morphe is cheap and it's not a bad price. And it's not bad quality. So if y'all want to see me use something else, definitely let me know. I can look into some other stuff. But again, y'all, like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Because my skin has been doing really well. Oh, dang it. There we go. Because my skin has been doing really well lately, I kind of just like to stick with what I've been using. Like before, back in the day, I used to use new stuff all the time. The way I'm blending this out is honestly so bad. I'm so sorry. I don't know what just happened. But it's okay because I'm going to fix it. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of this Milani concealer and just go like right here because I feel like I darkened it up too much. Now it's time to warm up the face because I'm looking a little pale. First, let me set this foundation. Oh, nails stuck. I'm getting my nails done soon because y'all, my nails look crazy. I've had this for like a little while. I'm gonna go shorter. Like, I like this length, but I feel like I should go shorter. I be battling with myself between like long nails and short nails because I feel like long nails, they make my hands look better, but then there's that struggle, you know, with like doing normal everyday things. And then with short nails, they're cute, but I feel like because like my nail bed shape, they just be ending up looking crazy sometimes. And then when they start to grow out, it's too much for me sometimes. Honestly, y'all, for my black girls, if you're looking for a bronzer, if you like want to get into bronzing but you don't know what to use, I like this one. I really do. Oh shoot, I'm messing up the baby hairs. Like, I'm just trying to be like a baby hair princess, you know, like Sweetie said. But yeah, this one's really good. I like it. I kind of use it to contour as well. It's the only one I find dark enough for me. And it also has like this shimmer color too, so battery's dying. Okay, I gotta hurry up. We're just gonna breeze through this part. And for blush, since we're doing a pumpkin cream inspired, I wanted to do more of an orangey blush. So I'm actually gonna mix this one right here, provocative and bold. I'm gonna mix those two together. Okay, so let me put on some mascara. Okay. Y'all, these freaking baby hairs. Am I the only one with crazy ones? Like, what the heck? That's not even cool. Like, okay. And so for lips, I want to do a dark one. I'm gonna do a dark one. So I have this brown from Colored Rain in the color whatever. I'm not even sure if they still sell this one because I've had it for a minute, a hot minute. I'm gonna be taking Bittersweet from MAC. I think I used this in my last tutorial. I love dark lips, y'all. Like, I used to kill a dark lip back in the day. All right, you guys, so the look is done. Oh, I didn't even highlight. Who am I? Even though I haven't been highlighting in general. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think. I actually had so much fun creating this look. It gave me a chance to really get creative again. I would have never done an eye look like this if I was not inspired by coffee. So let me know what you guys think and what other drinks I should try or what other ideas you think would look good on me. So yeah, but until next time you guys, I love you and bye.